Alright, welcome back guys to opening day 29 out of 30. Just one more day and we'll see what we do afterwards. But you know, it's been some time now doing something like this, trying to stay consistent. But what's it called? I'm gonna do a Gengar and Charizard. We'll save some Destiny rivals because I mainly want the Charizard than the Mewtwo, but we'll still make an attempt for that at some point. Gengar within the Charizard artwork pack. Gengar artwork pack. Let's see. Second last day or last day, we'll hit it. One card trick. Electric Energy. Jigglypuff. Darumaka. Lotad. Bolton. Grimsley's Move. Gliscor. Mamoswine. Nimble. We got a Dugong. Okay. Into a Moltres. So, cool little artwork. But not what we're looking for, mate. That was wrecked. Okay. Low bunny. So far, with everything we've opened, not really enjoying this set as much. Is it really that bad as people say until you've hit the Zard? Dugong, Ghastly, Mimikyu, Apon, Ludicolo, Grimsley's Move again, Alakirimi, Krokorok. Mega Heracross. At least it's something. We had two bangers today. Alright guys, we'll stay tuned for tomorrow's last day. We're going to hit up two more. And we'll know what we do moving forward. Take care.